Good morning, welcome to the Blazing with the Lowrys channel. Today we are going to be replacing our pool pump and motor, which has started to die. So Michelle is going to put our pump in and we are going to make it happen. Alright, right now we are switching the pool pump over to 220 volts since that is what our system requires. So Michelle is going to take the cap off and switch the switch to 220. And the other one, you just have to back it out a little bit and then rotate the cap. You don't have to take it all the way out. Just loosen it up enough to rotate it. That's probably good. Just swing it out of the way. Alright, switch it over to 220. Put the cap back on.
Co-pilot is 14 tomorrow, so he's the breathing that you hear behind us.
Yes.
Okay, now it's centered.
Alright.
You want to zoom in on me. So can you see here?
Yes.
It was 110 to 120, and that's where the switch was. So we just switched it over to 220 to 240.
Now we're going to take the end cap off and remove that black cord, since that is for 110. We are removing the end cap so that we can get rid of the 115 power cord, or 110. Now go ahead and just move it out of the way. Okay, just hang it out of the way. Now you see the red, black, and green. So okay, just leave it out of the way. And see where your left hand is, unscrew that nut on the power cord. Okay, unscrew the cord. All right. Pull it out. And see the three wires that are connecting it? You want to just pull them off the back of the motor. We're going to discard that cord, so don't worry about it. Just pull them off. You could get a pair of pliers, a pair of needles. Okay, she is removing the power cords. Just pull them off. Well, you're not going to hurt them. Just the black and the... Okay, go ahead. That's one. The white one and the green one.
Oh, the thing didn't come out.
No, pull it off.
This thing?
The connector that's under that, yeah, just pull at the end of that wire, just pull it. Okay, and then unscrew the green wire. should be a ring terminal, so be careful not to drop the screw. Okay, is the green wire out? Restart the screw so you don't lose it. No, restart it in the hole. Put it back in that ground hole. Just start it up so it stays, so you don't disappear. Couple turns. Okay. Now, go ahead and pull that cord out. Whoop. Pull it all the way out.
How?
Okay, now you want to remove that black plastic from that hole. Where the cord was. That thing right here on the side of the motor.
This?
Yeah, you want to take that out. So you might have to get a wire to release that and that. Okay, so go ahead and remove that black plastic. Might have to hold it and turn it counterclockwise. So towards the table. Alright, we are removing the oil pump. Cutting through the hacksaw blade. That's pretty easy. Alright, so now you can't get the hacksaw out. Huh? Alright, now cut the other pipe about at the end of the yellow label.
Here?
Yeah, about there. Just cut through that.
Should I loosen
Pressure's
this?
already released. It should be. Alright, we are removing the end cap of the old pump and motor to remove the wiring so we can get rid of this. Definitely make sure your breaker is off so that there's no power going to the motor before you attempt any wiring. We're still going. Might have to work it up back. Okay, there you go.
Put it back in.
Oh no, that thing's thrown away, so doesn't matter what you do to this one at this point. This thing's going in the garbage. Except for that little gray thing on the side, but we'll get to that when you're done unscrewing the wires.
Oh, so where these are, that's where they're going in?
Yeah.
tell them about the gator?
No.
Turn that off for a second.
Got the wires out. Now take that gray plastic thing, just unscrew it. Turn it counterclockwise. You're gonna need that for the new pump.
Okay.
Alright, now the pump's, move it out of there, girl. You got it gone.
Woohoo!
It is removed.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye to the old pump. Oh, jeez.
Bye-bye to the old pump. Alright, here we go with connecting the plumbing parts. We are going to prime and glue the couplers to made it to the new system. Remember to prime and glue both sides of the PVC. Here comes the primer. Try to do it sparingly so your installation looks good. Only need to do about the last inch of the pipe. She's applying primer. No, you gotta glue it first.
Huh?
That's just primer, so now you gotta put the glue on. Just getting the glue. Now make sure you glue both ends of your pipe. The pipe and the coupler, or the fitting side. Put on a healthy amount, and then stick your coupler to it. And tap it down with the palm of your hand. Put a little twist on there, make sure everything matches and nicely done. Grab your hammer and hammer it down just a touch. Probably want to use something heavier.
It's pretty heavy.
Okay. Same thing on the other side. And we're doing this one step at a time. We're building up to the pump. Now the same thing for the rest of it. Put some primer and some glue inside those fittings on the ends of those pipes and stick it to it. Here we go. Oh, and then do the front part too, babe. Oh, go ahead.
We're not doing that yet.
Alright, nice and good. A little tap, tap, tap. And there we go. Stop for a minute. Putting some primer and some glue on both ends of the suction side of the sand filter. Of glue. there for a minute.
Oh, look how nice that fits.
Oh, that fits so nice. All right, we are gluing pipes, doing our final measurements to make sure that everything works. Then we're going to wire up the pump and we'll be good to go. Did you prime and glue both sides? Alright, we are wiring in the new motor. Green to green. Green is your ground wire. Now for 220, we're going to wire up the 2 red wires. She's going to get 2 spade terminals and the crimpers. Alright, here we go to test the new installation of the pool pump and motor. What she's doing now is filling up the skimmer basket so that the pump will prime and start working. Alright, fire it up. Should work. So still there's water in that basket, right?
Huh? Yeah.
Alright, let's see. My wife, the awesome pool pump installer. We have no leaks. Pump is working. It's taken about 2 hours to do the whole job. We had to do some custom plumbing, but it looks like it's working. Nicely done, Michelle. All right, the finished pool pump. My beautiful wife, Michelle, has installed the pool pump. There's the old motor. There's the new one. And there's the pool working. Nicely done. No leaks. Everything's running smooth. And that's a wrap. Thank you for viewing our video.